Congratulations on the purchase of your Cocoon Create 3D printer. You are now just moments away from printing your first 3D model. It's important you follow these steps carefully to ensure correct setup of your 3D printer. We recommend using 2 people to set up your 3D printer. Your printer's control box, extruder tower, and heated print bed are all connected by a black cable guide. Do not pull on the black cable guide. Please also take caution when operating your 3D printer. The Cocoon Create 3D printer generates high temperatures and includes moving parts that can cause injury. Never reach inside the Cocoon Create 3D printer while it is in operation, and allow time for the printer to cool down after operation. Open your Cocoon Create 3D printer from the top of the box. You'll notice that your printer is securely packed in foam sheets and plastic wrap. Carefully slice or cut the outer plastic wrap, then remove your warranty certificate and getting started guide. Carefully slice or cut the tape that is attached to the top of the sheet of foam, then remove. Remove the accessories from the box and 2 sheets of foam. Remove the control box, extruder tower, and heated print bed from the box with foam sheets surrounding. Carefully remove the control box, heated print bed, and extruder tower from the foam sheets. Do not pull on the black cable guide. You will also find your filament, manual, and additional print mat at the bottom of the box. Place the control box, extruder tower, and heated print bed on a clean, level workspace. Carefully remove the cable tie that holds the extruder in place. Insert the heated print bed lengthways between the legs of the extruder tower. It can be easier to move the extruder to the side and angle the heated print bed when inserting. Align the bolt holes on each side. Using the hex wrench, insert and tighten the 2 external bolts. Place the printer on its side, then insert and tighten the 2 internal bolts. Remove the protective tape from each corner of the heated print bed. Also, carefully remove the protective tape from each of the 3 stop switches. Carefully cut the cable tie on the left side of the heated print bed base. Then, insert the long cable connector, marked A, into the motor connector marked A. Insert cable connector marked B with motor connector marked B. Insert cable connector marked C with motor connector marked C. Insert black cable connector marked D with the cable connector marked D. Ensure your cable track is secured to the extruder tower. This track ensures that your cables are not loose when the printer is in operation. Ensure that the heated print bed cables are not going to get caught at the back of the 3D printer. Remove the outer plastic nut from the filament spool holder. Then, insert the threaded end into the large hole of the filament spool holder stand. Tighten the plastic nuts on each side to secure. Position the filament spool holder stand on top of the extruder tower, then insert the bolts and tighten with the hex wrench. Insert the power supply cable into the back of the control box. Insert the other end into a nearby mains outlet, then turn on the 3D printer using the switch on the back of the control box. Wait for your printer to initialize with printer ready shown at the bottom of the LCD screen. Congratulations, you have successfully unboxed and set up your 3D printer. We want to make sure you get the best experience with your Cocoon Create 3D printer. If you are still having trouble with your 3D printer, contact us on 1-300-663-907 or email customercare@winplus.com.au. Purchase Cocoon Create filament and other accessories at cocooncreate.com.au.